It's here! It's here! It's here! Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks, a YouTube channel dedicated to, you got it, smartwatches and the Thor 4, which is finally here. The most sought after watch this year. This is it. We're here. We've got it. By the way, you can reach us at smartwatchticks.com on the web. Take you right in here to watch these reviews, including the brand new ZEBLAZE Thor 4. And what makes this thing so special? Well, one of the features is that it's got Android 7, an in-depth customized system on board, and a lot of other goodies coming to us specially from Banggood. Now, I know a lot of you have just been wanting to see me turn the thing on. What's the screen really look like? There's a big debate about edge-to-edge screen technology. We'll talk about that in a moment. And if you see it and you're ready for it, check the buying link down below. Got a really good setup with Banggood. They have introduced us to this and rushed this thing out as fast as they could. For those of you wanting to know more details about it, here's the overall specs. I'm just going to let you skim through them without getting technical about it, because today's unboxing and sneak peek is more about the aesthetic look and feel of this thing. After a while, we'll get into another video where we load it all up and take it for a ride. But for right now, we're just going to let you guys take a look at it and get the sense of what this watch feels like. All right, let me get in here without slicing it up too badly and rip into the case. Now, I mentioned to you edge-to-edge technology. That's where the screen goes right to the edge. Now, there's a peer to this one. It's called the LEM7. Whoa, and there it is. Whoa. And you see that big black border all the way around? This watch is supposed to be pretty much identical to this one, except it's got that big black border. And it's got this charging dock that comes with it. Yes, as a special bonus, we're going to see whether or not this will sit on that today, and it's part of the unboxing. But right now we're going to look at the screen technology and see if we've got edge to edge. But of course, we've got to get into the box first. There, I got a lip. I got an edge. Okay, ZEBLAZE Thor 4. 4G, yeah. Android 7, yeah. 16 gigabytes of onboard storage. Nice. Look at this. Tpu Band. Oh, this is going to be a winner. Yeah. Now, these bands are non-removable, but TPU is way better than leather if you're going to get longevity out of it. It's nice and pliable, but the antennas are somewhere here hidden in the bands for all those things like 4G, 3G, 2G, GPS, Bluetooth, what am I forgetting? Cellular, all the antennas are in here. Nice looking watch. Camera, button. Whoa. Flat design here, charger, the place where you put your SIM card, and the heart rate diode. I think I can give you guys a little bit of a hint by looking at the base of this one. Whoa, can I? I don't know. What do you think? You think it'll sit on there? Well, they look a little bit further apart than on this one, don't they? That's the LEM7. Okay, before I turn it on and get going, check some more in here. We've got a little insert with something in both sides. The USB charger. I'm sorry, the charger, not a USB. This is what we're after. What kind of a charging cable goes with this one? Because if it doesn't have the dock with it, it's got to come with a cable. And it begs the other question, will this cable then work on the LEM7? There's the cable. Probably goes like that. Nope. Goes like that. Yeah. Okay, it's going to hang off it that way. Nice, strong magnetic coupling. All right. I will test at least that part for you. Here we go. Let's look at the pin layout first. Is it going to mate? Looks like it might. Is it going to attach? Not that way. Not that way. Look at that. It hangs off. There's a magnet that's keeping it away. The poles of the magnets are off. One is one way, one is the other. I've never seen that. Wow. All right. Answer, you cannot use the wire that comes with the Thor 4 to charge the LEM7. Not going to work. Yeah, okay then. I haven't turned it on yet, so we really don't know, but let's do the dock thing. You ready? Line it all up. Notice there's a little pin here, and there's a little receptacle there to line it up so that it fits and says charging. I keep going into this mode here. Let's see what happens. I line it up, I put it on, and it just floats. Yeah, it's not gonna hook up at all. Not sitting in there, not making contact. They are completely different in the charging mechanism, and they're not at all interchangeable. Wow. Yeah, I know. We're doing an unboxing. A lot of you don't care, but you care about the ZEBLAZE Thor 4. So we're going to take a look at the Easy User's Manual, Thor 4. There's a whole page on that. Please check the following is in your thing. About your first boot, to long press the power button, how you set languages, smartwatch charging, SIM card installation. I typically flash the manual on the screen for you so you can freeze frame it and read it at your leisure, because oftentimes you can't get this anywhere else. Yeah, that's a nice thing to sometimes come back and refer to these. There might be one or two little tidbits you need. So there you go. The manual for the Thor 4. Okay. Wow. That's everything. Oh, there's a screwdriver in here and probably a little extra couple of screws for putting in the 4G SIM card in here. And now, what we've waited for, we're going to turn it on and see if it looks like the kind of a watch that you have in the W1. Notice there's no black edge around this. It goes right up to the edge. That's the W1. Or the H2, another really popular watch. Wow, that's blooming out. But look at that. Here's the bezel right there, and it's edge to edge. The LEM7 has that big black border around it compared to these guys. And the Thor 4 power button, hold 3 seconds. Oh, it vibrated as it boots up. I want to remind you that we thrive here by your thumbs up, likes, and your subscriptions. And in particular, in this video, introducing the Thor 4, which may be the most popular watch ever. Come back here, you. I know you want to be, but that doggone bezel on you, I don't know. Anyway, up until now, the KW88 from Kingwear has been like so hot. And this one, well, look at this. This is another Thor. This is the Thor S. Let me turn that on. Look at the watch face on the Thor S. Oh, and there's the front camera. Edge to edge, just like these guys. Oh, it says it's starting the apps. Wow, okay. There we go. We got to select our language. And it's selected for English. There's all my weight and height and all that kind of stuff. And now, oh no, a QR code that we're going to have to scan to get into the Tethering app. And I'm just going to X out of that so we can get to a watch face finally. There it is. It's edge to edge. You see that? It's really, really edge to edge. Oh my gosh. Where's a fun one? Here's something. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, all right. So anyway, what I was going to ask you guys as we page through and show you the layout of the stuff, on this one in particular, if you can post this to your social media apps, you know, as a unboxing and sneak peek of the Thor 4, that would be really appreciated, because we really want to get a bunch of folks in here checking out Android smartwatches. And if we do, then it'll populate, and a lot of folks will come and visit and have fun here. I'm pretty sure that down below you'll find a share button on just below the video, and I think you could click on that and probably do all the sharing you'd love. All right, there's the bottom row of your step count related activity, including a weekly chart, seen that before, your notifications, and your apps, and your overall sports fitness categories are over here. Yeah. We'll be going through all of this stuff later. Here's the stock apps that come with it. Those of you who are familiar, we'll take just a moment to move through them so you can see if anything lights you up. So far, they look pretty basic. And nothing is, of course, we just unboxed it. Nothing has been installed that's new here. There's fitness, weather, voice, search. Yeah, okay. And assistant, which is the one where you do all that tethering stuff. Those are your apps. And the watch faces. What would it be without a look at the watch faces? Here is the, wow, look at that edge to edge. It really does, right to the edge. This is a Thor 4 one, similar to, but different than the LEMFO face that's at the very beginning. Then you got the one that it opened up with. Of course, nothing's been set, date or time or anything, but this is a fast look at the different custom installed, those are not the right words, the actual stock, that's the word I'm grasping for, the stock watch faces that come with the watch. Custom watch faces, absolutely, they're installable, and a couple of them, at least one that I just showed you on the other watches, is one of my creations. I've got a few that I experimented with, and I have now put those in a special folder. You know the folder if you've watched this channel because it's got all sorts of things. A big spreadsheet showing you all the cross features of all the Android watches currently on the market for sale, recommended apps to put on these smartwatches, all that good stuff. The plus sign, if you're on the internet, is where you tap it, and then you can download a whole bunch of more watch faces. Anyway, tiny URL, Tinyurl.com /Android watches. All one word. Go there. That's a Google Drive, and you can download a zip file that has a bunch of my custom faces. In particular, a lot of folks were asking about this one, which is a concatenation of a Stargate watch face with a dark moving. Look at that. That's fun. These custom watch faces do run on the Thor S, which is what you're looking at right here, and they will run exactly on the new Thor 4. So by all means, download those, get yourself started. There's instructions on how to make your own and how to install them and have fun with watch faces. All right, that is it for a quick unboxing and look at the brand new Thor 4 4G-LTE Android 7 smartwatch. This thing is hot. You've been watching Smartwatch Ticks, and again, if you want to pick this puppy up, head on over to Banggood right now through the link that we have directly here in the show notes. Use that link if you can, because it really helps us all the way around. And pick one of these things up. Get it in the mail. By the time it arrives, you should have a nice long video here talking about all the features. And by the way, in the comments, if there's something you want me to cover in the upcoming review of this one, I'm going to try to go deep. Let me know. Do you want to know about pinch and zoom? Do you want to know, is the camera really 5 megapixels or just 2 megapixels up interpolated? What do you want to know? Let me look it up. We'll try to give it covered for you, and appreciate your thumbs up and your subscription and your social media sharing on this one. We'll see you again real soon.